Good morning, my dear little children. How are you all? Fine. Okay, welcome back to our English class. So, dears, do you have pet animals? Yes. Do you love them? Of course, isn't it? So, related to these animals, we learned half of a story in the last class. What was the title of the story? Yes, Joy in the Jungle, right? So the main character of the story was Monu. He was a young little village boy. And very often he roams around the jungle riding on a buffalo. And one day he finds a hollow piece of bamboo. It seems strong and steady. He picks it up. Monu comes back home. He gives the bamboo piece to his father and requests him to make a pipe out of it. And his father makes a beautiful pipe for him. Monu learns to play the pipe. One day, while playing the pipe, he gets so engaged that he doesn't realize he has entered the jungle. He plays the pipe to the delight of birds and animals inside the jungle. Manu then notices a rhino rolling in the mud. Manu goes on playing his pipe. The rhino stares at him with wet eyes as if in pain. Munu comes back home and explained everything to his father. His father replied that one day the hunters, the poachers, will come and kill the rhino and take their horns away. Munu felt very sad after hearing his father's statement. So let's continue from there, page number 18. All of you open your textbook, page number 18. Can't we save them? So Munu asked his father, can't we save them, Papa? Why not? If we decide, we can do so. We must help animals when they are in trouble, father says. So decide. Decide means wish. Why not? If we wish, we can save them. We must help animals when they are in trouble. So father replies to his son that we should help the animals when they are in trouble. Next day, Munu goes to the jungle riding on the buffalo to see the rhino once again. But she is not there. The rhino is trapped in a ditch. Trapped, catch, in a ditch. Ditch means gutter, drain. Okay. Her baby is standing close to her. He rushes back to home and tells his father, Papa, the rhino has fallen into a ditch. Please save her immediately anyhow. So he runs back to his father and asks and requests his father that the rhino has fallen down. Please save her immediately anyhow. Okay. Now, Munu's father calls some villagers and goes with them to the spot. So Munu's father calls some villagers to help the rhino. The rhino is lying in the ditch in a bad condition. Some poachers have trapped her with the motive to kill and take away her horns. So some villagers trapped this rhino to take the horns of it. Okay. The villagers dig another trench beside the ditch. Trench means another channel. So they dig another channel beside this ditch. The trench serves as passage so that the rhino can come out. The villagers lovingly stroke the baby rhino. The villagers lovingly stroke the baby rhino. The villagers move aside to allow the rhino to come out. But the rhino doesn't move. Everyone is worried. So all the villagers change their position. They move away to come out. The rhino to come out. But the rhino doesn't move. Everyone is worried. Everyone is so upset, so tense. The villagers, Munu's father, everyone is so tensed. Munu starts playing his pipe. Hearing the melody of the pipe, the rhino stands up and slowly comes out of the ditch. So, while hearing the melodious music of this pipe, the rhino slowly stands up and comes out of the ditch. Munu goes on playing the pipe. Slowly, the rhino disappears deep into the jungle along with her baby. As you can see in this picture, right? This is a very beautiful story about the friendship between two, Munu and Rhino. Children, did you find the story interesting? Yes? Very nice. I'm very glad to hear that. Now, can anyone tell me what is the moral of the story? Yes, you are right. What is the moral of the story? We should not harm any animals, irrespective of their size. We should love them. We should protect them. Right? Okay. Now let's see the new words. First one, desire. Desire means wish. Trap, catch. Ditch, gutter or drain. Trench, channel. Melody, music. Okay. Okay, now let's do the textbook exercise. Open page number 90. Check the correct answer in each. First question. What does Munu find in the jungle? What does he find in the jungle? Three options are there. Horn, pipe, a hollow piece of bamboo. Yes. Answer is option C, a hollow piece of bamboo. Second question. Munu's father makes a dash out of the bamboo piece. Options are guitar, drumstick, pipe. Again, option C is the correct answer. Pipe. Third question. How does the jungle change as Munu plays the pipe? Options are it becomes dark, it looks dangerous, it gets filled with flowers. Yes, correct answer is it gets filled with beautiful flowers. Fourth question. The dash doesn't enjoy the music of the pipe. Who doesn't enjoy the music of the pipe? Elephants, rhino, deer. What is the correct answer? Yes, rhino. Now fill in the blanks. The dash start rolling over one another on listening to the music of the pipe. Who was that? Yes, the two cubs. Right there, two cubs. Second question. The rhino has wet eyes because she is dash. Why? Because she is afraid of poachers. Okay, she is afraid of poachers. Next question. The rhino is trapped in a dash. Rhino is trapped in a ditch. Right there, ditch. Next. The rhino's baby is standing dash. Where it was standing? Yes, rhino's baby is standing close to her. Okay. So children, that's all for today's class. Till we meet in the next class, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.